Okay, this is for if you need your Xbox fixed. It's going to show you what we do, what happens when you send an Xbox to me to be fixed, I guess, for red ring or like E74 or overheating, I guess, if you don't want to do that yourself. There we go. Hard to clean. I'm not gonna get all that thermal-paste off. I don't have any Q-tips right now, so I have to do this with a towel rag thing, and this is just a crappy old Xbox that is unrepairable. I just had laying around, so it doesn't even really matter. I'm not gonna like show you putting a thermal paste on or anything like that because this Xbox won't work anyways, so it doesn't even matter. God, this sucks, that Q-tips. No other rags either. Fucking rag, God. Shines like a mirror. Let's see my reflection in it. Alright, here we go. Okay, so found the nozzle. Gonna set this right there. Gonna get the flux. I only use no clean flux, because if I didn't, then that would fuck up your Xbox. So flux. If any of you don't know what flux does, it cleans the impurities from the motherboard and all that. So yeah, it kind of acts as an insulator, so it can make your reflow better, I guess, but it doesn't really matter considering this thing can get up to like 500 degrees Celsius, and the melting point of lead-free solder is only 250 degrees Celsius, so got that back in place. Can't wait. Yeah, that's not even close to being. It's at like, it's not even 100 degrees yet, so for time's sake, I'm just gonna skip ahead. So, yeah. Alright, so it's up to 450 degrees Celsius, so, I mean, Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna turn this on. Here we go. Turn the air up a little bit. So, no, don't want to do that. We're gonna let it flux boil for about, I mean not the flux boil, we're just gonna let it warm up for about a minute. So it's been about a minute. Gonna put up to 195 or 190. That's about what flux boil is at. So there we go. Gonna let that sit for another minute. There we go. It's been about a minute. Melting point of lead-free solders 230 degrees Celsius, I think. So, and like I said, that for about 30 seconds. If you want to add me on Xbox Live, it's Pink F Zeppelin, like my YouTube name, except a space between the F and the Z. So, yeah, it's been about 30 seconds. So, up and down as fast as we can go. And there we go. Gonna let the solder harden for about 20 seconds. And then we'll press cool down. Nah, that's off. Switch it off. Turn that off. I wouldn't normally lift this right away, but I'll do it for time's sake. Just to show you guys. There you go. So I didn't totally remove the thermal paste. There's some still there. And didn't even touch that one. So, yeah. To show you guys, in case you want to, like, do it at your house, I guess, like a heat gun or something, which is not advised, but if you really don't have any money and you want to do it, I'll show you all this stuff that I use. If you're gonna be using a heat gun, you have to use flux, not clean flux, to act as an insulator to maybe get your Xbox hot enough, and you're gonna want to heat it for about a minute. So yeah, this is my little workstation there. So yeah, send me a message if you need a fix. $30. You pay shipping both ways, and give me $30 by PayPal. So I guess you can send me a check or something. So yeah, peace.